You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this fascinating word but confusing word that comes from the French word scrupule, which is to have some remorse or doubts about something. Anyhow, their pronunciation in English is as unscrupulous. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here, so that's that at least. So let's break down the pronunciation in English. Screw, yes, lus. The stress is on the second syllable, the screw syllable. Let's hear it carefully. Listen carefully again. Unscrupulous. Unscrupulous. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.